Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging, prevent infinite loops with a valid terminal condition. The final topic is the dreaded infinite loop. Loops are great tools when you need your program to run a code block a certain number of times or until a condition is met. But they need a terminal condition that ends the looping. Infinite loops are likely to freeze or crash the browser and cause general problem execution mayhem, which no one wants. There was an example of an infinite loop in the introduction to this section. It has no terminal condition to break out of the while loop inside looping. Do not call this function. So here we can see a loopy function which will always have condition as true inside the while loop, and so it will keep running this and keep printing hello world in the console. It's the programmer job to ensure that the terminal condition which tells the program when to break out of the loop code is eventually reached. One error in incrementing or decrementing a counter variable in the wrong direction from the terminal condition. Another one is accidentally resetting a counter or index variable within loop code instead of incrementing or decrementing it. Task for this challenge: the myfunc function contains an infinite loop because the terminal condition I is not equal to 4 will never evaluate to false and break the looping. I will increment by 2 each pass and jump right over 4 since I is ought to a start. Fix the comparison operator in terminal condition so the loop only runs for I less than or equal to 4. So in this case we just have to remove this and I less than equal to 4. Then it will run. So run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.